Welcome back to Insta Fashion Glow, the place where beauty, elegance, and confidence shine at every age. Today, we are celebrating a woman who embodies timeless charm and natural grace, Jackie. A radiant woman over 50, Jackie is living proof that true beauty only grows stronger with age. So, sit back, relax, and let's take a closer look at how Jackie continues to inspire us all with her effortless elegance, empowering confidence, and vibrant lifestyle. When you see Jackie, the first thing that stands out is her natural beauty. She doesn't chase trends, she creates her own style. Whether she's walking under the golden sunset, dressed in soft and elegant outfits, or simply enjoying a quiet moment, Jackie shines with a confidence that comes from within. At over 50, she is redefining what it means to be beautiful. For her, age is not a limitation, it's a celebration. Jackie's style is versatile, playful, and always classy. From chic swimwear that highlights her confidence to elegant dresses that bring out her sophistication, she reminds us that fashion is not about age, it's about expression. Her wardrobe choices are bold yet graceful, proving that natural older women can embrace any look with elegance. Jackie inspires women everywhere to step out with pride, knowing that true beauty lies in self-love and authenticity. But Jackie's charm isn't only about what she wears, it's about who she is. Her confidence radiates in every photo, every smile, and every glance. She reminds us that beauty over 50 is not about hiding age but embracing it. It's about wearing your confidence like a crown, celebrating every curve, every experience, and every moment that makes you who you are. There's something truly magical about the way Jackie carries herself. She blends natural elegance with a free spirit, making it clear that age is simply a number, not a boundary. She is proof that beauty doesn't fade, it evolves. Every photo tells a story of empowerment, reminding women everywhere that they too can shine with grace at any stage of life. Jackie is more than just a beautiful woman over 50, she is an inspiration. She encourages women to embrace their journey, to step into the spotlight with confidence, and to live boldly without fear of judgment. Her natural beauty is not about perfection. It's about authenticity. It's about showing the world that true elegance comes from within, from the strength, wisdom, and self-love built over the years. Jackie's journey reminds us all of one important truth: beauty doesn't have an age limit. At over 50, she embodies grace, style, and confidence, inspiring countless women to celebrate themselves just as they are. If Jackie's story touched your heart today, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Insta Fashion Glow, and share this with someone who needs a reminder that beauty only grows stronger with time. Because here, we believe that every woman deserves to shine, at 20, at 50, and beyond. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, keep glowing with confidence, keep embracing your natural beauty, and remember, the best is always yet to come.